Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Windows recovery so that in case if your device crashed, you can simply restore your device back to the same settings. So this is a very important settings which you should enable to safeguard your device. So let's see how to do that. First, you have to go to Control Panel, and inside the Control Panel, you have to find the recovery option here. So let's open that. And now this is by default turned off when you set up a computer. So you have to turn this on. Okay. So we have three options. One is creating a recovery drive. In the sense like if you have a USB drive, then you can take a backup that to a different USB drive and you can keep a device so that in case if device crash, you can recover from that USB drive. That's one option. And the other option, open system restore. So this will help you to recover your device back. So right now it is turned off, so it's useless. It will not work now. So before we can use the restore option, we need to configure it. So just click configure. So now you have to choose which drive you want protection. So of course we have to choose this C drive and here. So once you choose here, you have to turn on the system protection and you can give like, I'm gonna use like 20 GB or let's go for 50 gigs. So this will be the size which is utilized for the keeping the backups, and this keeps on taking every backup in case if any system changes are happening. So if even if you install some new softwares and your device crashed, then you will be able to recover it back to your previous. Okay. So now we have turned it on. We selected the size, and now you just have to apply. So if you choose delete, that means like if any previously saved restore points will be deleted. This is sometimes you can use it to clear the space. Yeah, but right now this option has nothing to do because we have just enabled it. Now you press OK. So, and once you configured everything, you have to just press create. So immediately it will start creating a system restore point, like it will start saving your device state and it keep a recovery backup. So you can immediately create one by just pressing here. Okay, just create. And once you're done, you have press OK. So now your device is safe, so that it will start frequently taking the backups of your drive. So in case if something failed, then you can recover. But in case if your hard drive failed and you want to recover, but sometimes it will not be possible if you choose the native C drive. So either you can choose a secondary drive. For example, like you can have an additional SSD in your computer and you can choose that SSD for keeping your backup files, or you can use a pen drive with a decent size as a recovery drive and just connect the drive and run this create recovery drive so that the current state of your device will be saved to the system so that your files, everything will be safe. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more contents like this. So thank you for your time and bye.